this could be the biggest move for Sei Network yet. BlackRock and Brevan Howard just launched tokenized funds on SEI, and I'm going to break down why that is so important and what it means for the project. Hey guys, Foxy is Trading here, back with another crypto video, and today we are talking about SEI. We are back on Monday after all the BS on Friday and Mr. Trump manipulating the market and liquidating everybody, and we're back. SEI is bringing many things to the table, news, major partnerships. I'm going to break it all down for you guys. I'm also going to talk about what happened on Friday, and I'm going to explain to you why it wasn't as bad as everybody thinks and why I'm actually quite bullish on it, right? So stay tuned if you want to see a quick explanation, because I think it is very simple of what Mr. Trump did to us, right? So on to the news, because that is what we're here for. SEI, BlackRock, Brevan Howard partnered together, and they launched tokenized funds on SEI via KAIO's institutional grade RW infrastructure. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. I have no idea how to say that. So if you're wondering why this is important, I'm going to tell you very quickly, because it really is that important. So it marks a major step in connecting traditional finance with blockchain, right? Since Brevan Howard and BlackRock are such major games in finance. So by launching BlackRock and Brevan Howard tokenized funds on SEI through KAIO, it allows real-world assets like institutional funds. They are now able to exist and trade on the blockchain, right? So it brings faster settlement and more transparency and global access. And also a big thing that this partnership does, excuse me for my voice, is that it shows just how much institutional backing SEI has by these two companies, right? Such big companies showing that they believe in the project, backing them. It just brings more eyes and more partnerships for that project. So this also has a little bit to do with BlackRock, but it's just that the securitized aspect and the market, 30 billion RWA market, and they have exploded past 4.5 billion in tokenized assets. Okay, this is also big, more into the future, but they have filed a form with the SEC for a staked SEI ETF, right? There's some other companies that have also done that, and this is getting looked at. If it gets approved, it will be very bullish for the project, and when that happens, when there's more news on it, I will explain what that does for the project and why it is going to be bullish. But for now, we just wait and see what happens. Then we have this partnership. Circle Gateway is now available on SEI. And then the last one is that SEI is now ranked 4th, right? So you can see here we have Hyperliquid Ethereum and then SEI. 4th ranked ecosystem by TVL efficiency. So we can see we are growing. We are close to Ethereum, not too far away, but we are also far away from the 5th coin, which is good to see. So we are almost on that podium, and I really do believe we're going to get there soon. So CoinMarketCap, we are down 23% in the last week. Obviously, you can tell with this massive candle that I'll talk about in literally a minute. Up in market cap, up in volume, because people are buying, and I do think it is a absolutely fantastic time to buy, not just SEI but cryptos in general. If you believe in the crypto space, we're 84% community bullish. Let's get that to 90%, and let's look at market structure. So if you're wondering what all these lines are and all this, so we have Mr. Trump on Friday announcing 100% tariffs, and everything crashes, right? But it's not random. It's on purpose. And what I did is I made this chart, put this chart on, showing that, let's just say big players, millionaires, have 50 million buys here, right? For example, they could have it anywhere. They could have a buy here or a buy here or a buy here or here or here, right? Let's just say they have a buy here. So they buy, they're up a decent amount, right? And Mr. Trump's like, no. I want everybody to get stopped out. I don't want all these buys. I want to basically reset the market. So he announces it, and what do? We literally liquidate everybody. Everybody that had buys in SEI and in all the other markets. I can find this for you in every single market, right? Major liquidity swept. Major liquidity swept. Major liquidity swept. Major liquidity swept. And guess what? There's no more liquidity to be swept. That was the last one. And it literally swept it. It literally took out everybody. All right. So it was all just a manipulation for the big players. But we are still, crypto's living. Crypto's looking good, actually, right? And the reason I say that is because look how fast we recovered, right? From going to here, down 68%. And then we basically recovered all of that in like 1 hour. Yeah, 2 hours, right? That's huge. So now what I want to see is price get back above this daily fair value gap. So originally I didn't want price to close below it. Obviously that happened because of manipulation. It's nothing you can do. You have to adapt. But what I don't want to see is price doing something like this. This would not be ideal, right? I want to see a clean breakthrough. You know, we can test it, we can consolidate for a little, but I want to see a break. When we break above this fair value gap, this imbalance in price, I am going to be confirmed that we are bullish and we are strong. Because you can see we have tapped in this area many times, and we have held that area many times, right? So you know it's a strong area. So as long as price now just climbs above it and closes above it, I think we are golden. And then after that, I want to see us close above this area, all of those equal highs, and then you know we can start targeting there, and there. Those will be our next targets. So I am still bullish on crypto. I am still bullish on SEI, especially with all these partnerships coming out. It's looking very amazing. I hope you guys didn't panic too much. I know it was scary, but you got to believe in your projects and your crypto. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. It means a lot to me. Make sure you do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.